Turning a bolt can be confusing, especially if it's brake caliper bolts we're talking about. Picture this. You're under the car and you wonder, which way do I turn? This might seem simple, but it can be tricky and frustrating. The answer is lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Visualize a clock. Loosening means you turn the bolt left or counterclockwise. This universal truth is consistent across most bolts, including those stubborn brake caliper ones. It's a lifesaver concept. Why does it get tricky sometimes? Well, sometimes rust and dirt can glue those bolts tight. You imagine applying all your strength, but nothing budges. It's a common pain point. Welcome to the world of car maintenance with extra complications. Start by using a quality wrench that fits snugly on the caliper bolts. This is a pro tip that saves your knuckles from unpleasant mishaps. Think of the wrench as your trusty sidekick in this mechanical adventure. It's crucial to your success. Apply some penetrating oil to the bolt and give it time to work its magic. Imagine as it seeps in, breaking the unseen bonds of rust and age. Waiting at least 15 minutes can increase your success rate by up to 50%. Patience is key. Consider using a breaker bar if the bolt refuses to move. The extra leverage is like an extension of your muscles, amplifying your force. Picture yourself as a lever-wielding mechanic hero. It turns the stubborn bolt fest into a victory dance. For those who worry about stripping bolts, get a hammer and gently tap the wrench. Visualize this action as sending shockwaves, loosening the bolt stronghold just enough. Your precision matters more than brute force in this finesse approach. If you are working under your car, laying on the ground can make orientation confusing. Visualize a mental map. Left is still left. Picturing this clear mental breakdown can prevent common mistakes. It's like imagining a "you are here" sign. Remember to keep your workspace lit. Good lighting is like opening your eyes to a new world of visibility. Darkness leaves room for error, so flood the scene with light to ensure you're seeing every bolt in its true form. Think of it like brightening, adult pinking. And trust me, when you finally hear that satisfying click or feel the bolt give way, it's akin to victory music in a video game. You're the hero of your own maintenance saga. Relieving that bolt's tension brings a genuine sense of accomplishment. Dealing with tight bolts can be frustrating and time-consuming, but it's an essential skill for anyone who wants to understand their vehicle. Remember, patience and the right tools can make all the difference. Knowledge, after all, is power on this journey. And finally, always double-check everything. A visual inspection at the end of your task can reveal any missed bolts or under-tightened parts. Think of this step as your safety net. And the peace of mind is like having a cup of chamomile tea after a long day. And